Today we are here by fancier Redzovic Emin in Bonheiden. He is winning the first National Bourges against 23,847 young birds. This is a young hen. She performed already very good because last weekend she won also the 5th on Fay Horloge, a provincial race. This middle-sized hen won at a velocity of 1,331 meters per minute, and this on a distance of 471 kilometers. It's a very top performance. As you can see, she has thrown already some wing feathers. She was not darted, so raced on a natural way, but she was very motivated to make this first victory, national victory on Bourges National, the well-known young bird race. Congrats from the Herbots team to Mr. Redzovic Emin from Bonheiden.